here at the place we're staying at, Vieques, and there's the front gate over there. There's my Emma over here. There's a few bushes with some really pretty flowers.
Yeah, this we call it bougainvillea also, and they call it bougainvillea also.
So it's a nice big yard. Here's our neighbors next door to us, and here's the place we're staying in.
And then we got a visitor a while ago. It's an iguana.
How big was the iguana? About that big?
Big, like long. Came out here. They're just hiding there.
Go over to these flowers here, Emma. Let's look at these flowers here. Are those birds of paradise?
I think so. I don't know. Maybe. Not really good at names.
And there's a great big trees. And we got our song going on here. So there's the place again. There's the pool right over there. We can't see it, but it's where it is.
So this is the backyard. And this is the balcony, whatever you call it. There's a pretty. So I love that. It's really nice. The place is beautiful. It has 3 bedrooms, and then it has the, if you want to grill. I want to find some shelves and I want to take it home, and I want to imitate this design for my dining table too. And this house has 3 bedrooms, and this is the first one.
This is the only bedroom on the basement. So it has its own key. So if you had a guest, the guest could stay here.
And then each bedroom has a bathroom, its own bathroom. So then this is going inside to the top.
It's really nice to have this insect door.
And this is the laundry room if we want to wash our clothes. And they got some soap in here already, and that's so nice. And then we're gonna go up here, and they have 2 bedrooms here upstairs. So they have bedroom here, which is, it has own bathroom. See? So this bathroom here has a double sink and a shower, and then it has like a door here, and then just a curtain here on the side. And then this is just like a living room here, and you can watch TV. See, I love these. It's beautiful. This is the dining table here, and this is the kitchen. And then here, this is the second bedroom where we're gonna stay, and sorry for the mess. So this is the 3rd bedroom of this house, and this is our bathroom. the balcony upstairs. There is like a place there that you can relax there, and then on the other side too. And look at the beautiful view. It's so pretty, and the swimming pool. Is it pretty?